Hi class, this video is a few homework examples from section 2.1, evaluating expressions. Okay, first up, this question says expand the expression as a product of factors. Think about a slinky, how you can pull it as far right and as far left as you can. You're expanding the slinky, or an accordion. Maybe you didn't grow up playing with slinkies like I did, but we're going to do the same thing with this expression. This is 2 to the third is the first part, and so this will be 2 times 2 times 2, and then x to the fifth is times x times x times x times x times x. And so we have 3 2's and 5 factors of x, and that is your final answer. Make sure to enter the multiplication symbol in between each factor. Do not use commas. Okay, so let's do that again with this expression. -9 times the quantity AB cubed. We have one factor of -9, and then we do have AB times AB times AB, but WebAssign will want you to break it up a little bit further and say -9 times A times A times A times B times B times B. Again, make sure there's multiplication symbols and not commas, and that's your final answer. This example from WebAssign says evaluate the algebraic expression for the given values of the variables. There's 2 on this page. So let's first look at question A. X is 2 and y is 2. The first thing I want you to do is just rewrite the problem with those substitutions. So this will be 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Lots of 2's. Now let's do orders of operation. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is 2 minus 2 times 0. 2 times 0 would come first, which is 0. So this is 2 minus 0, which gives us a final answer of 2. A lot of 2's in that one. Okay, look at question B. Now we have a lot of 9's. I want you to do the same thing, rewrite the expression, but substituting in these values for x and y. It's 9 minus 2 times 9 minus a -9. Orders of operation says to work parentheses first. 9 minus a -9, we'll add the opposite to get 18. So this is 9 minus 2 times 18, 9 minus 36, which equals -27. Okay, let's try that again. We're going to evaluate this algebraic expression. This time there's 3 variables, and we're working with a fraction. So I want you to first rewrite the fraction with the values given. It's -5 times 3 minus 3 is the numerator. Denominator is 0 plus 2 times 3. And when you're working with a fraction and you have multiple operations, I want you to work on the numerator first until it's simplified to one number, and then simplify the denominator until it's simplified to one number, and then you can simplify the fraction. So the numerator is -5 times 3, which is -15. This is -15 minus 3, which is -18. And then the denominator is 0 plus 2 times 3, which is 6. And so this is -18 over 6, which is -3. Okay, take a look at part B. Same thing. Take the original fraction and make these substitutions. -3 times +3 minus 3 over -2 plus 2 times 3. Okay, just looking in the numerator, this will be -9 minus 3. Denominator, this is -2 plus 6. We can simplify that even more. Numerator is -9 minus 3 is -12. Denominator is -2 plus 6, which is 4. And that also simplifies to a -3. Okay, that's all the examples for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about this homework assignment.